Elon Musk's story, a journey beyond wealth. In a world where dreams fuel the engine of progress, one man's ambition has transformed the skies and redefined human possibility. On February 3rd, 2026, Elon Musk soared past the unimaginable, becoming the first person in history to hold a net worth of $800 billion, a testament to what relentless passion can achieve. Just as a star illuminates the night, Musk's journey through the cosmos has sparked an unprecedented revolution. In March 2020, he stood at a mere $25 billion, a figure that now seems like just the beginning of a story written in the constellations. With each milestone, Elon carved his name into the annals of financial history, watching his fortune expand like the universe itself. From $100 billion in August 2020 to $300 billion by October 2021, each leap was not merely a number, it was a promise of change. By December 2024, as he reached $400 billion,
if you Google Elon Musk, I think you have 156 million search results.
Really?
76 million Twitter followers. You're definitely one of the most popular people on Earth. Is popularity a pleasure or a liability for you?
Well, it makes it difficult to go buy a coffee at the corner store, that's for sure. So it's hard to go around places, you know. I used to be able to just, you know, go to the store or walk down the street, and now it's quite difficult to do that. It's hard for me to go to a restaurant, and if I do, I just try to find a corner table and that's kind of dimly lit or something where I can sort of stay out of the way.
Musk was not just counting wealth, he was harnessing the power of innovation. The engine of his success, Tesla, SpaceX, and the groundbreaking acquisition of xAI, has propelled humanity closer to the stars, reshaping our understanding of technology's potential. Every launch, every groundbreaking development is a flicker of light in the vast expanse of possibility. Musk once said, "When something is important enough, you do it even if the odds are not in your favor." His trajectory is a vivid illustration of that belief, a bold dreamer who dared to chase the future. Yet, as he breaks through barriers, questions linger like shadows in the light. What does this extraordinary wealth mean for society? Musk's monumental success reignites the discourse on wealth concentration, innovation, and the influence of technology on our lives.
Yeah, it's quite difficult to dig tunnels normally. I think we need to have at least a tenfold improvement in the cost per mile of tunneling.
And how could you achieve that?
I think there's, actually, if you just do two things, you can get to approximately an order of magnitude improvement, and I think you can go beyond that. So the first thing to do is to cut the tunnel diameter by a factor of 2 or more. So a single road lane tunnel would, according to regulations, has to be 26 feet, maybe 28 feet in diameter to allow for crashes and emergency vehicles and sufficient ventilation for combustion engine cars. But if you shrink that diameter to what we're attempting, which is 12 feet, which is plenty to get an electric skate through, you drop the diameter by a factor of 2 and the cross-sectional area by a factor of 4. So, and the tunneling cost scales with the cross-sectional area. So that's roughly a half order of magnitude improvement right there.
As he rises, so too does the responsibility that comes with such power. In the vast tapestry of human history, Elon Musk is weaving a narrative of not just wealth, but vision. Like a comet blazing through the sky, he reminds us that with determination and innovation, we can redefine the impossible. In the realm of giants, Musk stands tall, an architect of the extraordinary. As we look to the future, his story compels us to dream bigger and reach for our own stars.